Right, I believe we are going now. And what we're looking at here is the example student essay, right? The example student essay should come up for us no problem. All right, what I've done here in the example student essay is I've just color-coded the thesis statement into the subject and the idea. The subject and idea, it's not perfect the way this example student lines up. But remember, the exercises we were doing in class, we were just doing as Roman numeral 1. That would be this. What traditionally is going to come at the end of the thesis statement. Don't worry about the introduction right now. We're going to work at this on this next class. Just think about the subject and the idea, right? So this thesis statement is in what suffering does. The subject here being the actual essay. Your subject is the essay this time, although positionally here, of course, it's the author. It's the author through the essay. Argues that suffering affects a person's life almost as much as happiness. That's a vague thesis. That's a vague idea, but that's what is the idea here, right? And we're going to talk about how we would score this when we grade the essay. All right, so your more specific idea, right, needs to fill in here. So what we need to do after this is not go off the train tracks. So think of lining the colors up. Here it's lined up exactly. Paragraphs 1 through 4 would directly line up with the subject and what suffering does. All right. This is a little vague here as well. Talks about how the main focus of people's lives is to find happiness. We need to be more specific here, but this will get the job done for right now, for seeing the point today anyway, right? And I haven't gone through here right now and done the same thing with evidence and then the commentary. This is what we're going to do next, but right now we need to sort of big picture, keep on the train tracks. And as you see, after this she does 5 through 8. And again, a little bit vague here, talks about where suffering takes a person. We're going to come up with something more specific. Paragraphs 9 through 12 is what people feel recovering from suffering and how they make a difference. Okay? And then she gets into her conclusion after that. So in the beginning, right, something would work. Next, I'm advising you all right now just to name the paragraphs, go through the routine. Once you get used to how the routine works, then you're less likely to go off the tracks in the future. So this screencast is short and sweet. Just follow the subject idea routine from your thesis statement. Make sure that keeps rolling through all of your topic sentences. It's likely that most of you are going to have around 4. All right, around 4 topics are 4 major divisions of your essay this time. Remember just to pick one essay to write about. For purposes of your draft day, you could completely delete all this and just start with your thesis statement. All right, you can just open with your thesis statement and go from there for your 500 words, I believe is what I said you need to upload. All right, if there are any questions for right now, someone or y'all send me a message. All right, that'll conclude this screencast.